हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रेंड्स। ए वीडियो रे हमें जानिबा हमरो डियरनेस अलाउंस बा महंगा भत्ता 10% रो वृद्धि बाबद रे तेबे आसंतु डिटेल जानि नबा। तार लेटर ऑफिस मेमोरेंडम लेटर मध्य देखिबा। देखंतु गवर्नमेंट ऑफ ओडिशा फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफिस मेमोरेंडम नंबर 15231 डेट 15 मई 2020। सब्जेक्ट हला सेक्शन ऑफ डियरनेस अलाउंस एट द रेट 10% एनहांसिंग द एग्जिस्टिंग रेट फ्रॉम 150% to 164% with effect from 1st July 2019 in favor of state government employees drawing pay in pre-revised scales of pay 2008। एटा देखंतु 154% रु 164% पर्यंत डीए रो वृद्धि पई लेटर टी। तेबे डिटेल जानबा। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर इन देयर ऑफिस मेमोरेंडम नंबर देखंतु नंबर 1/3 dated 25th October 2019 have enhanced DA or dearness allowance payable to the central government employees for existing 154% to 164% with effect from 1st July 2019 in pre-revised scales as per the 6th Central Pay Commissions। तेबे 6th Central Pay Commission अनुसारे a pre-revised scales होइछि। Now considering the overall financial resource and fiscal targets stipulated under Odisha Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2005, the state government have been pleased to release the additional dose of DA 10%, enhancing the same from the existing rate of 150% to 164% on the basic pay and grade pay taken together with effect from 1st July 2019 in respect of state government employees who are drawing pay in pre-revised scales under the ORSP rules 2008. The additional dose of DA 10% enhancing from the existing rate of 154% to 164% on the basic pay and grade pay taken together with effect from 1st July 2019 in applicable to the state government employees and employees of aided educational institutions drawing pay under ORSP rules 2008. The manner of payment to the state government employees as above is also applicable to the following categories of employees drawing pay under ORSP rules 2008: the teaching and non-teaching staff of university, then subordinate judicial officer drawing their pay in accordance with the law department regulations, work charge employee drawing in regular scales of pay under ORSP rules 2008, job contract workers of consolidation of settlement organization who are in receipt of the fixed pay in regular scale of pay under ORSP rules 2018 and DA sections thereon from time to time. DA in accordance with this memorandum will also be admissible to the state government employees who were in the service on the 1st July 2019 and drawing pay under ORSP rule 2018 but have ceased to be in service at the time of section of this enhanced DA. The bill for trial of this enhanced DA as per the pre-revised scales of pay under ORSP rules 2018 will be submitted to all treasury, special treasury, sub treasuries also with pay bill for the month May 2020 and onwards. The additional dose of DA will be paid in case and can be drawn in the pay bill of May 2020 and onwards. The payment of arrear of dearness or DA from July 2019 to April 2020 on account of enhanced DA will be drawn and disbursed after roll of salary of May 2020। तेबे 10% ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट एनहांस करछंती। ए डीए 1 जुलाई 2019 रु लागू होइछि 10%। तेबे ए मे मास दरमा परे आपण एरियर 2000 जुलाई 2019 रु एप्रिल 2020 मध्य थिबा एरियर आपण आफ्टर मे मास दरमा परे आपण पाई परिबे एटा। तेबे फ्रेंड्स एटा प्रथम जुलाई 2019 रु 10% लागू होइछि। तेबे एई जुलाई तेबे प्रथम जुलाई रु एई 2020 एप्रिल पर्यंत 2019 जुलाई रु एप्रिल 2020 मध्य 10 मास अवधि ए 10 मास अवधि रो जे 10% डीए तार एरियर आपण पाई परिबे एई मे मासर दरमा हेवा परे एटा फ्रेंड्स। तबे 154% टोटल डीए थिला एबे 10% वृद्धि होई ता 164% प्रतिशत होईछि जहा कि जुलाई 2019 रु लागू होईछि। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। सी यू अगेन सून।